This is the moment of capitulation. Everybody in the comment section is roaring and raging right now. The community on X right now is panicking. Some of the largest crypto influencers right now are saying altcoin season is canceled, and this is something that we have seen in every single bull market. Every time we come around to a bull market, people wonder, oh man, oh no, I should have just bought Bitcoin. Oh, these altcoins, I got to give up on the altcoins. Right when you give up on the altcoins tend to pump. Crypto.com is poised to be one of the most successful crypto exchanges in the world, and they are continuing to show that they are here to comply with regulations across the globe. And this company continues to develop, even though, you know, people are getting bearish on altcoins right now. They're not stopping. They're not getting flooded out of building for altcoin traders, for Bitcoin lovers, and then for people actually that are going to start using stocks on their platform as well. I am very bullish on the CRO token still for the year 2025, and I can't really change that opinion because I look at the facts of what we've had happen for crypto in the past. I look at the facts of what I see Crypto.com doing, and I want to share with you guys a few of the newest stories from Crypto.com today that you need to be aware of as we're going into a very uncertain moment where people are seemingly losing their minds as they're losing value in their portfolio because crypto is volatile, and right now we are seeing some volatility to the downside. How low can we go? What do we expect for the price of CRO token? All things I want to explore with you guys in this video. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button. Subscribe to this channel if you want more content, and leave me a comment down below letting me know how you are feeling today. I've seen a lot of people expressing some frustrations and some people that are excited about the dip. Which one are you? I want to know. I want to hear from you guys. You've got Bitcoin right now sitting at $98,000, which is below 100K. And as Bitcoin is falling lower, what you're seeing is Bitcoin dominance just hit 60% right now. At the time of this recording this morning here on February 2nd, Bitcoin dominance is at 60%. I've been telling you guys that I wouldn't be surprised if it came up to this trend line and even got to 60.62 before it saw some resistance. I would like to see it reject there so we can get an altcoin season. But there are no guarantees that we are going to stop there. I still think that that is a level that we could and should stop at. I'd be shocked if we went higher than where we were at back in November. Is it possible? It certainly is possible. It certainly is possible. But at some point, you know, I do expect Bitcoin to revisit some of its lower dominance levels in the market. So this is something that I'm going to continue to look at. I'm going to continue to watch Bitcoin dominance here. And as Bitcoin dominance is climbing and Bitcoin is falling in price, what happens to altcoins? What happens to CRO? CRO falls in price too. At the time of this recording, CRO token is sitting at 11 cents, giving folks more discounts from some of the discounted prices that we've been enjoying or not enjoying over the last few weeks. At the end of the day, guys, I put out a video about altcoins yesterday that it seemed like people enjoyed quite a bit because it got a lot of views. I know everybody wants to know what's going on with altcoins. At the end of the day, if you are looking at where we're at in this cycle, where we're at right now is breaking through our previous 2021 high. And that is what this looks like here. And that is the 2 cycles ago in 2017, 2018 was the high that we had to pass back in January and February of 2021. And it's funny that the timing is actually exactly the same. January, February is where this kind of question mark went. We're breaking out. No. Total market cap comes back down. Altcoin season's getting wrecked. Altcoin season's getting wrecked. People getting shaken out. And then the true bull market came, which is a parabolic breakout. And I said this in my altcoin video yesterday. We're at this very same moment. Yes, it's been going on a little longer. Yes, there's uncertainty. Yes, there's a pro-crypto president. Yes, he's supposed to pass some crypto policies. No, they haven't really even been passed yet. There's been one executive order signed, but it hasn't given us regulatory clarity. You saw that Pump.Phone was just sued in the U.S. There's a lot of things going on right now. Okay, my point is our total market cap hasn't exploded yet. And I don't expect Crocoin to pump up and break these highs until we see our total market cap really explode. Like the real upward moment of the bull market beginning. And that includes an altcoin season. And I believe that that is coming. I don't think anything has changed about that. There has been a lot that has changed for crypto.com, though, in a bullish way, in my opinion. Crypto.com is actually suspending some stablecoin services to meet the MiCA. This is some story that we talked about a while ago. They're actually suspending the ability for people to use Tether on their platform in the EU, which is very interesting because of this MiCA regulations that was passed over there. Why is this bullish for Crypto.com? Because they remain regulatory compliant. They remain compliant on the globe stage. And because of that, because of their due diligence and the hard efforts that they've put into that, here's another story. Binance and OKX lose ground in market share over 2024, while Crypto.com records record growth. This is a brand new story. They continue to have stories like this written about them. Now, Chris has been more vocal than ever. Now he's talking about easier bridging to Cronos Live. Layer 0 is now a part of the Cronos EVM, Cronos ZK EVM thing. Getting better. They're improving their services. They've got, Chris now with the $CRO in his bio supporting the coin. They're launching banking services. They're launching stock trading. When people download the app to go do stock trading, when people download the app to do banking services, they're going to start learning about crypto. They're going to start learning about the different utilities for crypto, and mostly CRO. It makes me bullish on CRO. Why haven't we seen a big explosion yet? Look at the TVL for crypto. Are we really in a time in history where the president's family has this World Liberty Finance thing, and they're buying Ethereum and they're buying some decentralized applications on Ethereum, but our TVL in DeFi is not going to hit a new all-time high? Of course our TVL is going to hit a new all-time high when we actually get to that moment in the bull market, because there's never been a more pro-bullish time in crypto in the history of the asset. So, for the price of CRO, for the chain CRO, I expect Cronos chain to get bigger. It doesn't need to be as big as Solana. It doesn't need to be as big as Ethereum. Maybe it's not going to be. Maybe it will be. I couldn't quite tell you that. But I can tell you right now it's the 16th largest chain in the entire market. And as things have been getting weaker, Cronos has been actually climbing in this rank. They are set up in a regulatory stronghold with their foundation and what they've done, getting the proper licenses in each country. You're waiting on the broader bull market. As you're waiting, you could do some trading. You could sign up for Blowfin if you want to. You get deposit bonuses. There's a lot of volatility. If you're so bearish on altcoins, you could short some altcoins right now, and there are some people that are probably doing so. I think that we are definitely seeing altcoins bleed off right now, but at some point, I believe there will be a bottom. And maybe you want to catch along on the bottom, or maybe you just look at these prices and you go, wow, Crocoin's at 11 cents. It was at 24 cents earlier this year, and I think it's going to go to $1 or $2 at some point in 2025. Man, if it goes to $2 in 2025, that's a 20x from here. What an incredible buying opportunity this is. And you could also be looking at it and going, oh my gosh, this is falling down lower. Where is it going to come down to? The answer, guys, it could come back down to 7.5 cents. It could come back down to 8 cents. It could come back down to 10 cents. I would not be surprised if it found a floor sometime around the time where Bitcoin hit its dominance level at 60.6%. Something that I'm looking out for CRO. Am I telling you guys that Crocoin is going to crash? No. But I am telling you that if it does, I look at it, as I do with my favorite altcoins, as dollar cost averaging opportunities, because nothing has inherently changed about this bull market. Some people are coming out right now and saying this time it's different. And usually when people say this time it's different, they mean this time things are going to go a lot higher. I'm not telling you that this time it's different. In fact, I'm telling you this time I believe it's going to happen approximately the same. And I say approximately because it's never exact. But what does this mean? This means that an altcoin season is still coming. Crocoin is still due for the major move. But if you think that the major move is going to happen for Crocoin or any of your altcoins before the total market cap for cryptocurrency explodes and before Bitcoin goes more than just, a couple, how high has it gone past its previous high? It's gone up. At one point, it was up 66% past its previous high. Right now, it's up 40% 7% against its previous high. If you think this is the end of the bull market and you don't think that Bitcoin's going to go to $1 million one day, you don't think there's going to be a national strategic reserve that comes out, and you don't believe that when the total market cap explodes up to new highs, that there's going to be an altcoin season. Well, you know what? Then maybe we're not on the same page, and that's okay. I am of the mindset that there is an altcoin season coming. I cannot tell you exactly when it's going to be here, but I can tell you that there are some key levels that I'm going to look at. One of them is Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance breaks above this trend line, I'm looking at the previous high. If it goes above that, then we can look back at some of the other levels, and we're just not there yet. There is a possibility, there is a world where you do see Bitcoin dominance going higher, but I am not going to start thinking about that being the case until I actually see some evidence for that playing out. And admittedly, Bitcoin dominance is climbing right now, but I've been talking about this being a possible level for quite a while now. And all of a sudden, some crypto regulation could come out, and this could change. All of a sudden, some crypto regulation could come out that could be great for altcoins. It could be bad for altcoins. You've got to be looking out for this. We're going to have to see, guys. Right now, I believe there are discounts on the altcoin space. Right now, I believe there are discounts for CRO. I like where crypto.com is poised as an exchange, and I think that as more people like to use the exchange, more people will buy CRO. If there's a world where a lot less altcoins are going to pump like people are claiming right now, I believe that CRO should be one of the stronger ones because of how strong the exchange is. Do you agree? Do you disagree? I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments down below. That is all I have in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is a Crypto Report. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL, and I'll see you in the next one, y'all. I got 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Right here and right here. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.